Yes, the eggs have been in the oven for 30 minutes, 325. Then I took them out and put them in ice water for 10 minutes. Now we're going to try to peel them and see if they peel as easy as advertised. Peeling very easy. And these are fresh eggs, just recently purchased, so these should be peeling a lot more difficult. I do have to say, as you can see, there is a little brown spot from where the egg was touching the, I guess, the muffin pan that I had them in. But, let's see here. As you can see, that is a perfect hard-boiled egg. And they taste good too.